The ocean is a vast, unforgiving stage where reputation is everything. Even the most seasoned vessels, seemingly perfect in every detail, can stumble when the spotlight of a RightShip inspection turns toward them. Why do well-prepared ships still fail?
First impressions are formed the moment my boots hit the deck. I am looking for physical enclavement of safety. I am looking at taste and more into sound laces. Every detail, from the tension of the safety net to the alertness of the watchman, tells a story of how this ship is truly managed. Let us see what lies beneath the surface today.
Welcome aboard, Inspector Miller. My crew and I have been preparing diligently. We understand the importance of this inspection for our next charter. Thank you, Captain Volkov. Professionalism is the key. Let us head to the office to begin the document review. I am looking for consistency between your records and the physical reality of the ship.
In the global maritime industry, RightShip is the arbiter of excellency. It ensures waiting is not just by top charterers. Without it, even the largest ships can find themselves locked out of the world's most lucrative trade routes. Safety is the currency of modern shipping.
The foundation of every inspection is the risk to the RightShip integrity to actual rig as a framework. Does it leave no? This comprehensive document covers a regression is rated no stone questioned. For a crew, mastering the risk means more than just ticking boxes. It means some worry from about show excellent.
The risk is not a surprise test, it is a roadmap. I spend weeks cross-referencing our maintenance logs with their specific requirements. If the paperwork does not match the performance, we have already failed. It is about ensuring that every valve, every sensor, and every drill is documented with absolute precision.
Visual standards are the first thing an inspector notices. A well-maintained deck show of rust can suggest neglect, even on shipware rust that the crew takes pride in their vessel. Visual chip over sure the gangway is rigged correctly and the safety nets are taut. It is about showing that our standards are high, even in the areas most exposed to the elements. Detail is everything.
We verify that the brake testing records are current and that the lines are in top condition. These are high-pressure systems. There is no room for error. An inspector will check the grease points and the contribution of the drums. We keep everything ready for immediate operation, ensuring safety during berthing.
The lifeboats are your last line of defense. I am looking for any sign of corrosion in the davits or a lack of grease on the moving parts. Chief, when was the last time you performed a full load release drill? I need to see that the crew does not just know the theory, but can execute the procedure under pressure. Safety equipment must be flawless.
Fire safety is zero tolerance. If a hose is frayed and exactly where it's supposed to date, fire safety must be exactly where it is supposed to be, and every member of the crew must be able to operate it instinctively. This is not just about passing an inspection, it is about surviving an emergency. Readiness saves lives.
Our ECDI is fully updated with the latest Admiralty charts. We have set this for this settlers draft, and navigation is the heart of keel clearance T. Our ESO safety contours specific on the chill trough. Good. I will be checking your sensor inputs and how you manage your alarm settings. I want to see that your bridge team is not suffering from alarm fatigue.
Our passage plan includes detailed weather routing and contingency anchorages. We have identified all no-go areas and established clear safety margins. Every officer has been briefed on the specific risks of this transit.
The level of detail here is impressive, Chief. It shows a proactive approach to risk management. The engine room tells the truth about a vessel's health. You cannot hide neglect in a space this complex. I'm looking for leaks, clean bilges, and well-maintained insulation. A clean engine room is a sign of a disciplined technical team. As we descend, environmental compliance is a top priority. I'm examining the oily water separator and the oil record book. Any discrepancy between the digital logs and the physical clean meter readings is a major red flag. We have zero tolerance. This equipment must function perfectly to protect the oceans we all depend on. The data must tell a consistent story.
Bridge, this is steering flat. Commencing emergency steering drill now. Switching to local control.
The communication is clear and the response time is excellent. Seeing the crew handle an emergency scenario with this level of composure is exactly what gives me confidence in the FSL.
Inspection complete. You have demonstrated a true commitment to the risk standards.
Well done. The emergency generator must engage within 45 seconds of a main power failure. Let's see how she performs today. Excellent. The automatic switchover was seamless and the emergency lighting is fully operational throughout the escape routes. Reliability in these systems is the difference between orderly evacuation and total chaos during a blackout.
Waste management reflects the overall discipline of the crew. These as the correct criteria, the garbage ribbon signal out according to the MARPOL requirements. Now, let's create the garbage snack because the vessels of the departments with an exact leak. The entry here premiums environments, the receipts from the port reception facility text to closing.
Crew welfare is a fundamental pillar, is an alert to you can impressively hatch safety and assist to house to that quality fresh. Crew welfare is a fundamental pillar of maritime safety. A well-fed, healthy crew is an alert crew. The galley is impressively hygienic and the provision stores are stocked with high quality, fresh in stock.
In the world of maritime inspections, there is a golden rule that every officer didn't have tension is the physical evidence of if the run written down, it simply didn't happen. Documentation is the physical essence of inspecting. In the world of erroneous tasks, with equipment with task, every safety drill must be drill and every tip.
However, even the best prepared vessels can face showstopper deficiencies. These are critical failures that represent an immediate risk to the ship, the crew, or the environment. When an inspector identifies a showstopper,
The consequent
Structural integrity is non-negotiable. Severe corrosion, it's erased verdict happen where it's clear the
shouldn't just happen overnight. They are the result of a failed maintenance culture. A vessel with compromised hull strength is a danger to the sea, and such findings will lead to an immediate and costly inspection failure.
This fire damper is completely seized by rust, and look here, an oily rag left right next to a hot engine manifold. These aren't just minor oversights, they are active fire hazards. Fire is the greatest threat to a ship at sea, neglecting these basic lack of vigilance that we simply cannot overlook during a RightShip assessment.
Environmental protection is a top priority for modern charterers. An oil-slicked bilge or a leaking hydraulic pipe on deck is an immediate red flag. Pollution risks are the fastest way for a vessel to be blacklisted. Inspectors expect a zero.
Captain Volkov, I found a serious discrepancy. The oil record book entries for the sledges fitted were manipulated, the entire sounding as I just took. Integrity is the foundation of our profession. If the records are manipulated, the entire safety management system loses its credibility. This is a matter of professional honesty that is non-negotiable in our report.
Safety shortcuts can be fatal. Entering an enclosed space without a valid permit or using an uncalibrated atmosphere tester is a recipe for tragedy. There are no second chances with toxic gases. When safety protocols are ignored, the RightShip inspection is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires the crew to maintain a high level of focus and energy throughout the day. From the depths of the engine room to the heights of the bridge, the rhythm of the inspection tests the vessel's readiness in every corner. Success is the result of collective effort and sustained professionalism.
I appreciate you pointing that out, Inspector. While the observation is minor, it will immediately. I've already briefed them both, standard. I've addressed it immediately. Have a rectification plan scheduled for this afternoon. We view every observation as an opportunity to improve our safety standards and ensure the vessel remains in peak operational condition for our next voyage.
Captain Chief Officer, thank you for your cooperation today. Your vessel shows a strong conveyance house amount over of the ship is. Captain Chief Officer, thank you for your cooperation today. Your vessel shows a strong commitment to safety and maintenance. I will be submitting my report with a few minor observations, but overall the ship is in excellent condition.
Maintaining a high-standard vessel is more than just an inspection. It's about the pride in our profession.
Maintaining the profession. When a ship sails with a clean bill of health, it carries the reputation of its crew and company across the world's oceans. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and remember that excellence in maritime safety is a journey that never truly ends.
Thank you for watching our deep dive into the RightShip inspection process. If you found this guide helpful for your next survey, please subscribe to our channel for more expert